Hello everybody. Let's see, what are we going to do today? Well, there's going to be a couple things that I'm going to do today. But today, I'm going to show you how I process my Christmas lights. Last night, as I was throwing things away, I ran into these things. And this is basically how I process them. Now, people will do them differently than I do. But this is how I do it because I need to get rid of these. And then I'll show you what license plates that I got in that clean out that I did the other day. So basically how I do this is going to be a very short video. I plug them in and I go through and I see if any of them are burnt out, but it doesn't look like any of them are. So this strand, they all look lit up. So we go on to the next strand and get the right end, which is right here. I'm pretty sure they're all going to work. And they all seem to be working. So that's two. Okay, this one. Here. Oh, there's the cord. Okay, these are these flash. That's because of this thing right here. Push memory. So these all seem to be lit up. So this is good. And then this one. Now we all know that Christmas lights are seem to be all in demand on the holiday season. But and these all seem to be working. So, which is good. I don't see any that are and these are flashing too. So, they all seem to be working. So now what I'll do this one of two ways. But first, I will take all the bulbs off. Every single one of them. And depending on what they are, what they look like and all that, I will take them and put them in big Ziploc baggies. And then after that, I will come in and I will cut the cord. I will cut each end piece off. Since I'm here, I want to check this out too. I'll cut the ends off, pull the light bulbs, and throw them into their own bin. I won't even bother cutting them or stripping them. Okay. Oh, and there's a disc inside. Don't know what kind of disc. Seems to be working. Seems to be working. So there might also be something wrong with the plate, but it could just, you know. So unfortunately, I don't have a way, I don't have a TV to plug it into to see. Reverse screen from Justin to Kelly, full screen, 2002, whatever, Justin to Kelly. So, I don't know. I'm just going to strip it for the silver anyways. I'm going to put that stuff up on the thing. This right here is going to be a how-to video. I want to pick up my stuff here. Okay, so to close this video out, but that's how I process my Christmas lights. We saw that this worked. Now, you might have saw in the video when I got these that I set another YouTuber's channel, which was Taco Stacks. Well, he collects license plates, and you know, before, you know, I've maybe found one or two, but I already had Nevada. So, but these were all in one. So, got Alaska, Louisiana, Montana, Georgia, Iowa, Washington, Texas, New Mexico, Kentucky, Idaho, there's Nevada, Maine, Hawaii, California, Oklahoma, Mississippi, and Virginia, Rhode Island, and Missouri. So, I guess I'm going to be starting to collect license plates. I'll probably put them up in the shop when I get the shop, you know, up and running. So, yeah, but it was kind of funny because as soon as I saw those, you know, I was like, eat your heart out, Taco Stacks. You know, because, you know, there's a lot of people who collect license plates. You know, and I never, you know, had more than just the state that I lived in. So, and I'm pretty sure that I might even have some Illinois license plates someplace. But, yeah. And this little guy I got in the clean out. I'll try to sell that. Don't know what it is. Well, I know it's a snake. It kind of reminds me of that cartoon snake from Walt Disney. Oh, this has different kind of writing on it. I forget. It's made in China. This was actually for a different country because I have a lot of people on Facebook that, you know, they write like that. I just forget the country. I want to say Belgium, I believe. Or, well, actually, could be even Denmark. I don't know. If you're watching this, comment below on what country that writing is from. That's if you know. But if I'm not mistaken, I think it might be Belgium or Denmark. That area of the world. I only know English, so. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was short enough for you. So as I always say, scrap it right, make that money. Peace. Later, Gators.